Hello, everyone. My name is Jaap Verwij. I am a board member of the Cancer Drug Development Forum, or CDDF, and one of the program chairs of this exciting CDDF workshop co-hosted by AAADV and entitled Challenges in the Landscape of Global Development Strategy. On behalf of my colleague and program co-chair, Kim Lyerly, representing the AAADV, and on behalf of our program committee members, I'm pleased to welcome all of you to this multi-stakeholder event. Although CDDF and AAADV are based in and operate from different parts of the world, our two organizations share a common mission, which is to advance cancer treatments and improve the quality of life for patients. To further this mission, we are hosting this hybrid workshop on March 30 and 31st this year in Brussels. During the meeting, we will discuss the current state of global clinical oncology drug and trial development and the evolving regulatory landscape. The meeting brings together leading experts and key stakeholders from Europe and around the world to share their diverse experiences and expertise in global clinical trials. In oncology drug development, we realize that geographic borders are artificial and not relevant to patients in need of better treatments. So development of new agents is a global endeavor. We truly look forward to having insightful discussions with all of you.
Hello, my name is Kim Lyerly, Executive Director of the AAADV Workshop Foundation and one of the program chairs of this workshop. As Jaap mentioned, this event is a collaborative effort between CDDF and the AAADV Workshop Foundation to advance our mission of accelerating cancer treatments to patients. This multi-stakeholder workshop will offer thought-provoking discussions and open debates on how we can move global oncology drug development forward, with patients and their needs at the heart of every conversation. The program will begin with a keynote lecture by Francesco Pignati from the European Medicines Agency on ICH E22 guidelines on patient preferences. Following that, we will look at the options for global harmonization, including the challenges of balancing country-specific enrollment and the use of non-local data for local regulatory approvals. We will also have a discussion of how to ensure patient diversity and inclusions in global clinical trials. Another focus will be novel trial designs and the critical role of patient-reported outcomes from a patient perspective to support successful global drug development and reimbursement. We will then explore how oncology trials have transitioned from chains of subsequent studies to more complex, multifunctional trial designs. In this context, we will consider the options for cohort adaptations in early phase oncology. Your voices and engagement are important for our discussion. We look forward to meeting you on the 30th of March in Brussels or online. Thanks so much.